In the vast digital landscape, email marketing stands out, boasting unmatched returns on investment. It's still thriving amid new trends and social platforms. However, how can you ensure your emails reach genuine recipients instead of bouncing back? The answer lies in email validation. Email validation checks if an email address is real and effective, impacting your marketing success significantly. A high bounce rate can severely damage your sender reputation, causing email providers to label your messages as spam. Imagine the impact of sending emails to non-existent addresses. Avoid hard bounces by validating addresses for higher deliverability. Phishing attempts grow with spam addresses, making email validation essential for effective marketing campaigns. The good news is validating email addresses is quick and cost-effective, paving the path to increased customer engagement. Real-time validation streamlines your email list management, ensuring only valid addresses are maintained for successful outreach. One straightforward method to verify an email address is simply sending a message to it directly. Utilizing account recovery options from major providers can also confirm the validity of an email address. Did you know IP address lookups can unveil email origins, though relevance and deliverability must still be confirmed? A Google search may not confirm existence, but it generally reveals valid emails tied to real individuals. Investing in email verification tools simplifies the process, helping you identify fake addresses and enhancing your list's quality. Prioritize checking email validity to boost engagement and avoid spam traps, ensuring your emails reach eager readers.